investing on paper and doing, and investing with real money.
Embarking on a journey to compound your portfolio effectively can be exciting, mainly when guided by Warren Buffett's time-tested strategies. Here's a breakdown of 2 impactful ways to maximize your portfolio growth. Buffett recommends index funds for a simplified, efficient investment approach. These passive funds, like the Schwab U.S. Broad Market ETF, SCHB, and Vanguard's Total Stock Market Index, VTSAX, and ETF, VTI, cover a wide range of the U.S. stock market. They've historically outperformed many active funds, offering broader exposure at lower fees. Additionally, Buffett advises using broad, all-market equity funds for diversification without complexity.
There are times to buy them and times to sell them. There's times to buy them.
Vanguard's Total International Stock Index, VTIAX, and its ETF version, VXUS, for example, give you extensive access to international markets in just a few funds, efficiently diversifying your portfolio globally. Implementing these strategies can be a manageable initial investment. Many of these funds offer low entry points and minimal ongoing fees. For instance, the expense ratio for VTIAX is a mere 0.11%, significantly lower than the average actively managed fund. To kickstart or enhance your investment journey, consider a commission-free trading platform. These platforms offer enticing incentives, such as up to 15 free stocks worth $2,000 when you open an account, plus the opportunity to earn a 5.1% APY on uninvested cash. Click the link in the description to begin your journey toward effective portfolio compounding. Remember, subscribing to our channel will keep you updated with more insights and strategies for financial success.